We're leapfrogging our boundary clamps around our fence line, which means we can work each section individually. I'm using the nice orange boundary clamps from McVeigh Parker. I do have some Stromrite clamps for shorter netting, but we've got these nice big monster ones for the taller net. Just to make my life easier today, Mike's assisting. So bunny hopping allows us to, or leapfrogging allows us to make the most of pulling the wire as far as we can do around the fence line without the need to have to start and stop the wire. So Mike's just working the chain long here. The monkey strainer, or the monkey clamp, whatever it's called, will climb along the chain, pulling tension in. So we've pulled our netting up to tension. So these aren't doing anything now because all the tension has been transferred up to where we were pulling from